From the book The Etheric Crystal, written by Radu Cinamar, we learn about the existence of 3 human and extraterrestrial military bases on the moon. Here is what the book says. I stepped inside their device and sat down in the chair, immediately seeking to create a kind of communion with the specific energy field of the device, which seemed to mold itself to me and worked with my intentions. I was out of the body in less than a minute, and this confirmed to me that the team of researchers had largely solved the problems with the artificial intelligence, which was connected to the device. When I went out of my body and into the etheric plane, I saw even more wormholes or portals, some traversing sections of Earth, and others heading upward, to outer space, but mostly to the moon. I thought then that I could take advantage of the opportunity, by making a few jumps through those portals. I felt that I was particularly drawn to the ones to the moon, and dove through one of them. Almost instantly I could see the moon's illuminated surface from only a few meters up, but also a lunar military base about half a kilometer away, at the bottom of a not very large crater. However, it wasn't right in the center of it, but more towards the edge. The construction was not large, consisting of 2 cylinders laid horizontally, like tubes, with 3 connecting corridors symmetrically arranged between them. Between those tubes, on a sort of platform, was a TR-3B, but smaller than the one I had seen at the secret military base in the desert. As I was looking at the lunar base, I noticed other portals or jump possibilities appearing around me, seemingly at random. I chose one that I knew projected into another area of the lunar surface. After the jump I saw another base, also in a crater, but this time the construction was rectangular in structure and occupied a larger area. Next to it, also on a platform, we saw 2 round ships, the classic flying saucer type, but relatively small in size and different in construction. In the air, about 50 meters high, a triangular, black-colored craft was stationed. I must have entered a chain of portals, for I could see many such space-time openings, some in close proximity, others farther or further away in other areas of outer space, but I felt that their limit of manifestation was somehow around the Earth and the Moon. I suddenly felt drawn to such a portal that had appeared right next to me, and instantly I was on the dark side of the Moon at that moment. I ended up next to another base, no more than 50 meters away. All 3 of the bases were American, yet they seemed to represent different factions. I simply knew this as soon as I arrived near such a building. The new base was quite brightly lighted. A little distance from it I saw 3 astronauts in their specific suits, yet more modern than what is commonly known, making a wheeled vehicle transport to a circular ship on the nearby platform.